Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Ford Fiesta here, Z-Tech, on a 2008 plate. Just replacing the stop lamp on the passenger side rear there. It's not working. This one here is working. So now the position lamp and the stop lamp does the same thing. So same bulb does both of them. And if you want to replace it, I'll show you how it's done exactly. Now the bulb you need is a 380 bulb, which can be found in the description, a link for it as well. So you can get it from there. And if you found this video useful and it saved you time and money, don't forget to like it and share it where possible, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Also, there's a special thanks button, don't forget to click that as well. Thanks. I'll just show you how it's done. Right, what we need to do first is we've got these two little screws right here. There's one here on the bottom, that one there, and then there's one on the top right there. The Torx you need is a T25. I've got it right in my hand. The bulb, I've got that in my hand as well. Just put that onto the side. So if I undo this screw first, make sure you don't drop this anywhere. So I've got the top one now. You may not be able to see it right there. Brilliant. I'm just going to have to hold the screw. So I've got both of them out now. Put that in my pocket. So what I now do is from the bottom here, I gently lift the tail light outwards towards me, pull it towards me. You can see there's a lug right there, and then there'll be one on the top. So what I do, I'll wiggle and then pull it towards me. So you see there, it goes, slots in there. Just right there, and then the bottom one goes in there. So all I do now is replace the bulb. Now if I wanted to replace any of the other bulbs, like you've got the fog light on the bottom, you've got the indicator on top, and then you've got the reverse here, that's the position and the stop lamp. So I twist that to my left, pull the whole thing out, so you can see the location of the pins as well. So make sure the way you take it, that's how it goes back in. And just remember this seal here as well. Take the bulb out, get the new one. So I'm just holding the tail light at the same time, which is not a good idea, so I don't want to let it go. Here we go, that's a new one. So I'll slot the bulb in, it'll only go one way. Slot it in. It is a 380 bulb. Now this would only go in one way as well. That's it. To my right. Now if you did want to replace this tail unit itself, undo all the bulb, and then this whole thing could be replaced at the same time. Okay, now to slot it back together, it's easy. So push this in first on the top, line it up, then the bottom line up, and then push in. What we're going to do, we're going to put the screws back on. It's easy again with the screws. You slot it in with your fingers first, and then the top one as well. Once you got it in there, it'll be easy to screw in. And the bottom one as well. That's it, done. We're just going to check, make sure they work. Right, now that you can see it's working, both of them are working. That's all it was on this particular model. It is a Ford Fiesta on a 2008 plate. It's a Z-Tech. I don't know what's the difference between a Z-Tech and the normal ones, but it is a Ford Fiesta on a 2008 rear stop lamp. Has been replaced. Now, if there is any other bulbs you need to do, it is quite a simple procedure. Do the bulbs at the same time if you need to. I think the bulb numbers, I'm not too sure if I will. I'll try to get the bulb numbers, put them in the description as well for yourself, and it'll be easier. Anything else, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share where possible. Thank you and goodbye.